All right, Seeger 2026. I went to Framework. Now, I love the machines, but what I really caught on was this little small little format desktop they have now. They have a brand new desktop coming out and it has integrated memory, integrated graphics, smaller than ITX. We're going to take a look at it in some details and what kind of package can you get. So let's take a look at all the stuff that's available.
Would be the integrated GPU.
So this smaller than ITX, which is pretty much the ITX motherboard takes on the entire case. Integrated GPU. We're looking at right now. These are different plans that they have. They have the maximum. They have 32 gigs, 64 gigs, and 128 gigs. This is a Radeon, the 8060s graphics. Radeon, they're pretty much all 8060 except for the low end, which is a 8050. And then memory wise, you could go up to 128, pretty much the specs. Now, regarding USBs, I'm not quite sure. We're gonna see what kind of USBs we have. 3.2, oh, here's the specs right here. We have an HDMI connection, two Type-C connections, two display ports, two USB 3.0, RJ45, which is 5 gigs, audio 3.5, and 3.2 generation 2, Gen 2 USB on one of them only. So on the two, there's two of them actually.
And then you can also add the front extension.
Ooh, front expansion. What is this for? Adding extra Type C's in there,
Yeah,
slots?
so our
Oh.
systems uses things called like expansion cards.
Yeah.
Pretty much you could also add two of them in onto the desktop.
Oh, it's hot swappable and
Yeah.
everything. Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
We use like not only on the desktop but pretty much compatible with all of our devices.
So not just desktop, but it's also going to be compatible with the laptop on this one. Look at this. So if you guys own one, coming soon. Maybe if Linus sends me one. It's also compatible not with the desktop, but also with the laptop too. Look at this. And then you got extra additional ports. You could change out, swap out to a Type C to Type A, whatever your needs are.
Yeah. We even have like an Ethernet one.
Oh, and you have an Ethernet one.
We have a 2.5 as well as a 10 gigabyte version.
2.5 and a 10 gigabyte version. So those are looking for upgrading your current laptop. And if you have extra parts and you want to purchase maybe a desktop, look at this little micro ITX integrated with the video card. And pricing, I don't know. We'll find out.